Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most beautiful and mysterious phenomena that can be observed in the sky, the Aurora Borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. We'll be discussing what causes them, how they form, and some of the most interesting facts about this stunning natural wonder. So, what exactly are auroras? Auroras are a natural light display that occurs in the sky, primarily in the polar regions. They are caused by particles from the sun colliding with the Earth's atmosphere. When these charged particles enter the Earth's atmosphere, they collide with gas atoms, primarily oxygen and nitrogen, causing the atoms to become excited and emit light. This creates the colorful display of the auroras that we see in the sky. The colors of the aurora are determined by the type of gas atoms that are being excited. For example, oxygen atoms that are excited produce a green and yellow color, while nitrogen atoms produce blue and red. Auroras are primarily observed near the Earth's poles, due to the shape of the Earth's magnetic field. The magnetic field funnels the charged particles from the sun towards the poles, where they collide with the Earth's atmosphere and create the auroras. Now, let's talk about the specific places where auroras can be seen. The Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights, is most commonly observed in areas like Fairbanks, Alaska, Tromsø, Norway, Abisko, Sweden, Rovaniemi, Finland, and Reykjavik, Iceland. The Aurora Australis, or the Southern Lights, can be seen from locations like the Southern Ocean, the southern tip of South America, Tasmania, New Zealand, and Antarctica. There are also other types of auroras, such as the proton aurora, which occurs when highly energetic protons from the sun collide with the Earth's atmosphere, and the diffuse aurora, which is a faint, glowing region of the sky that can be observed during times of high solar activity. One interesting fact about auroras is that they were originally named after the Roman goddess of dawn, Aurora. The Romans believed that the aurora was a sign of the goddess Aurora opening the gates of heaven each morning to allow the sun to rise. This belief was based on the aurora's glowing, ethereal appearance, which they thought resembled the goddess's radiance. The name aurora eventually spread to other cultures, and it is now commonly used to refer to the northern and southern lights. But the name Aurora Borealis specifically refers to the northern lights, and Aurora Australis refers to the southern lights. In conclusion, the Aurora Borealis and the Aurora Australis are some of the most beautiful and awe-inspiring natural wonders that can be observed in the sky. So, if you ever have the opportunity to observe an aurora, make sure to take it. It truly is a sight to behold. Thanks for tuning in and learning about auroras with us today.